Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add mockups in Printify in 2026, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If you're using Printify and your product look boring or unfinished, you're confused about mockup options, you don't know which mockups convert best, or you want your listings to look more professional, this guy will walk you through everything clearly and practically. Let's get started. Now, why mockups matter in print on demand? Before touching Printify, understand this. Mockups sell products. Customers don't buy designs. They buy how the product looks on a real item, right? Good mockups build trust, improve click-through rate, increase conversions, reduce refunds. Bad mockups do the opposite. Okay. Now, where mockups live inside Printify. Once logged into Printify, go to My Products on the left-hand menu. All right. Inside, you're gonna see all of your products, right? Just go ahead and click let me click this product. All right. And this is where you choose which images appear on your store listing, right? You don't need external software to start, right? Now, understand Printify mockups types. Printify offers multiple mockup styles depending on the product. Flat lay mockups, model mockups, lifestyle mockups, front, back, side views. Each serves a purpose. Okay, you can hit here, view all mockups, right, and use any of them. Let's say I'm gonna use this one. Let me close, yeah, and save changes. All right. For beginners, start with clean lifestyle mockups, right? Avoid overly dramatic or busy scenes. Clarity beats creativity. Now, choose the right mockups for Etsy or Shopify. Different platforms prefer different styles. On Etsy, or for Etsy, bright background, lifestyle images, clean, cozy environment, right? For Shopify example, minimal mockups, white or neutral backgrounds. Focus on the product. Printify allows you to select mockups that match each platform. All right. Now select the mockups step by step. Inside the mockup editor or inside view all mockups, right? Scroll through available mockups. Click or to select or deselect. Choose multiple angles and set your main image first, right? Let's say I want to set this one. Okay, so I'm gonna delete this one and save it. And this is how it would look like on Etsy listings. Right? Your first mockup is the most important. It controls clicks, right? Arranging mockups in the right order. Order matters more than people think, right? Recommended order. Best lifestyle mockup, main image, right? Let me go back, sorry. Clear for front view, right? Back, hold it. Person 1 back, person 2. And alternate color or angle, size or fit reference. You're guiding the buyer visually, right? And just hit save selection. And you're gonna see multiple mockups for this product, right? You can see here. Right. Yeah, right. Always preview. Light designs on dark shirt, dark designs on light shirt, right? Avoid low contrast. It hurts convergence, right? Preview mockups before publishing. Never skip preview. Before publishing, try to zoom in, check alignment, check print area, look for cropping issues if there is one. All right. If it looks slightly off, customers will notice. All right. And then, of course, publishing mockups to your store. Once ready, save mockup selection, sync product to your store, check how it appears on Etsy or Shopify. You can go ahead or go ahead to the dashboard here. Not the dashboard, sorry. Product in view store. You're gonna find your items listed here on your store. Okay? You're gonna see how it will look like inside. Okay, so yeah, your mockups are now live. This is what customers will judge first. Okay, you can use external mockups, optional. Printify mockups are good, but not the only option. You can upload your own. Right, advanced sellers sometimes use Placeit, Photoshop templates, custom lifestyle photos. If you do, upload them. Right here, let me go to the product again. Head view all mockups. My upload. Right. Let me clear. Please note that uploaded images will not be automatically linked to any variant from our end. If necessary, you can manually link images to variant. Okay. And in my uploads, you can go ahead and upload your own image to Etsy. Right. Let's say, yeah. You can upload your own image to, to Printify, so it can sync with Etsy, right? Start with Printify mockups, upgrade later, right? Now, avoid using too many mockups, dark, low quality images, over edited designs, inconsistent styles, mockups that don't match the product. Your goal is confidence, not confusion. Right? Follow these rules: 5 to 8 mockups per product, clear main image, lifestyle plus clean views, mobile friendly visuals. Most buyers shop on phones. Right? And what to do after adding mockups: improve titles and descriptions. Right? Go back to that product, press it. You can edit the title, description inside. Right? Watch click-through rate, adjust based on performance, right? Mockups are part of optimization, okay? Not a one-time task. So adding mockups in Printify 2026 is not about perfection. It's all about clarity, trust, professional presentation. If your mockups look clean and realistic, customers are far more likely to buy. If this beginner's guide helped you, like the video, subscribe, and comment below if you want a full design plus mockup conversion strategy next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.